Hey everybody, I am Zach Hauk. I am an ASUS account manager. I manage TD SYNNEX for us. I also manage our ProArt product line. So today we're at the TD SYNNEX Inspire event, and I've got a number of different display products out here representing the ASUS line. So on the far right there we have our ProArt PA32UCDM. That is our QD OLED monitor. That's going to be a really nice higher end display that's ideal for mastering, color grading, post-production, virtual effects, anything where color accuracy is really the key. That's going to be a great display for that, and it's really price competitive. MSRP is $1899, so a little under $2,000, and comparatively to other solutions in the space, it's really price competitive for the type of color accuracy and visual fidelity that you get. In the middle here I have one of our ZenScreen displays. This is also an OLED ZenScreen display. This is going to be ideal for any sort of mobile type work, transporting, anything where you're on the move a lot or you need to showcase something to clients. This is going to be an ideal solution for that. Extremely portable, extremely lightweight. Gets power and video via one cord with the USB-C there on the right. It's plugged into one of our ASUS Nooks, which are our small form factor PCs, and they have a lot of power for the form factor. Really allows you a lot of functionality with what you've got going on there. And then the last screen we've got here is our ROG Strix XG27ACS. This is an LCD IPS display. It's a 2K resolution, one of our gaming displays. Really good refresh rate on this, ideal for any type of gaming that you might be doing. And then outside of all of these displays that we have here, we also have a full lineup of commercial displays that have built-in webcams, USB hubs, really anything you might need to have an office set up or find whatever the perfect display is for what you're trying to do. So that's kind of some info on our different displays. Outside of this, we've got a ton of other products, including motherboards, graphics cards, the Nooks, like I mentioned, wireless networking. We really have a solution for whatever you may need. And you can find out more about those products at asus.com.